We are all creative, but it's something that's definitely within all of us, and I think we do often put it away. We need creativity to balance ourselves in our lives.
I believe that gardens have the potential to improve the quality of your day-to-day life.
This is about giving you the confidence to do it your way, to reflect on how you live and how you want to live, to know the rules and for it to be made easy and understandable and be able to take on your house yourself.
Floristry is so much more than just creating arrangements. It's like therapy to me. I find it so uplifting and so reassuring.
Remember that you really deserve this. You deserve to feel healthy, you deserve to achieve your goals, you deserve to feel better, whatever that means for you.
It's about the two best things in life. It's about nature and creativity rolled into one.
Layering texture elevates your cooking from home cook to restaurant chef. That has got so much going on.
This is our lives. This is your life. We only get one shot at it.
Everyone needs to do this. It's so good for your soul. It's what we need.
Wherever you are in life, wherever you're living, make sure that your house is the best it can be.